Psalm 116. I love Yahuwah, because he hath heard my voice and my supplications, because he hath inclined his ear unto me. Therefore will I call upon him as long as I live. The sorrows of death compassed me, and the pains of hell gat hold upon me. I found trouble and sorrow. Then called I upon the name of Yahuwah. Oh, Yahuwah, I beseech thee, deliver my soul. Gracious is Yahuwah, and righteous. Yea, our Elohim is merciful. Yahuwah preserveth the simple. I was brought low, and he helped me. Return unto thy rest, O my soul, for Yahuwah hath dealt bountifully with thee. For thou hast delivered my soul from death, mine eyes from tears, and my feet from falling. I will walk before Yahuwah in the land of the living. I believed, therefore I have spoken. I was greatly afflicted. I said in my haste, all men are liars. What shall I render unto Yahuwah for all his benefits toward me? I will take the cup of salvation and call upon the name of Yahuwah. I will pay my vows unto Yahuwah now in the presence of all his people. Precious in the sight of Yahuwah is the death of his saints. O Yahuwah, truly I am thy servant. I am thy servant and the son of thine handmaid. Thou hast loosed my bonds. I will offer to thee the sacrifice of thanksgiving, and will call upon the name of Yahuwah. I will pay my vows unto Yahuwah now in the presence of all his people. In the courts of Yahuwah's house, in the midst of thee, O Jerusalem, praise ye Yahuwah.